Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working on our second project, our alternate project of the Lovely Lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Again, here's what the kit made. But we're going to be making alternates. This is, again, video number 2. Okay, we have our springtime, sweet springtime paper pumpkin kit for February. You have until the 10th to subscribe to get that kit. And here's the add-on dies. Item number 164396, $12 for 4 dies that coordinates with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. I still have my mystery boxes on sale, $25 each. You get new, used, all retired Stampin' Up product. Email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com if you're interested. And here's our monthly host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Okay, now let's get started on project number 2. So let me get all of my bits and pieces. So all of my card bases, I think, on this series is going to be thick basic white, either cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, or 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5. Okay, so let's again start with our inside. Let me get all the pieces out so I'll know what I'm doing. I've added just a few things from the outside. So I have basic white here, 3.5 by 4 3/4. All of my insides should be the same size for all of my cards, because this is my standard inside card. I'm just adding some extra little strips on here that I had. And this purple glimmer is part of the 3-color glimmer specialty pack of paper. I'm gonna have that there, let that sit for a second. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I have another piece here of this glimmer paper. It is 4 by 5 1/4. And as you can see, I punched out a hole using a 2-inch circle punch. Since we're gonna be layer on top of this, I just went ahead and punched it out of that to save some paper. Then I cut this card front down from the kit. I cut this down to 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Put some sticky tearing tape on the back. Because it's going onto this glimmer paper, I wanted to make sure it would stick. And the glimmer paper, the tearing tape is a very strong adhesive, and it gives me instant bond. Oh no. I put that glue on there, I forgot that hole. I don't want that to get on my work surface. So let's go ahead and layer this on here. Ooh, this card idea came from Marcy Bessiker. I told her I was gonna case her card, and she said case away, because she cased it, I think, from the catalog. So, but I didn't notice the card in the catalog. But when she did hers, it was gorgeous. So I said, I'm gonna case that. Okay, and I think I can go ahead and put this on to our, look at there, the size was on the back of the card. All I had to do was turn it over. Oh man, I almost did that wrong. This card is gonna be landscape, not portrait. And that would have been bad if I would have put it on upside down. Okay. So now we have that. Let me glue this inside together and add it to the inside of a card. So the gorgeous grape here is 5 by 3 3/4. I'm not sure if I said that or not. Now I'm second guessing myself, because I don't remember. I think that's gonna go here. Let's see. I know the sentiment. Let me stamp my sentiment because I know what I want to put on there. So we're going to get Gorgeous Grape. So I designed all these cards at once. All these ideas was just flooding. So I just started cutting, and putting stuff in little baggies. And now I forgot, I've forgotten how the card is supposed to go. I'm happy that came out good because I couldn't see what I was stamping. I guess we're tying another bow. So let's go ahead and do that. I say another because on video 1 I tied a bow. Okay, I do remember. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this down flat. And hopefully I can get this on here straight in the middle. Okay, then we are going to glue. I was thinking about putting tearing tape on it. We're going to glue this down flat, our 2-inch circle, and I want to put it in the middle, but in the middle this way, but towards the bottom, up and down. Okay, then we're going to add on some of our foliage here. Let's see what I have. Okay, so let's do the greenery first. Let's put on some greenery. Ooh, don't stick to me. Okay. Then I think I have a vellum that I die cut using the Love of Spring dies that go with the paper pumpkin kit. And I put it on some of our adhesive sheets to make it a sticker. Since vellum is so hard to put glue behind, I wanted to just add a little bit. See, you can't even see it, the glue. I just wanted to add a little bit more of something there in the background. Let's put this one down. Put it about right there. Ooh, come on. I have to forget, I keep forgetting that it doesn't stick to that, the glimmer very well. I want our greenery to show in the back. Okay. Then we're going to add this bow. Let me see. How am I adding this? Yeah, let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back of our little label here. And I'm going to use quite a bit to make sure I hold down all of my elements. Okay, so now we're just gonna pop this on right over everything like so. Okay, and then we're just gonna add some bling, and I have the purple fine shimmer gems. We're gonna add a couple of these gorgeous grapes. Let me make sure where I wanna put them. Put one there, and I have some little ones. And I wanna put one right here. Then I'll put another big one. Maybe about, no, I'll put it right there. Okay, and that is our second card, alternate card done from the lovely lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.